Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a folder hidden in Windows. So let's get started. So here I'm having a folder, and inside that I'm also having many other folders. So let's see how we can make this hidden. So first thing, just right click on the folder and click on properties, and in properties under general you will be having this attributes thing, and you'll be having the hidden checkbox. Check it and click on apply, and here make sure that you are selecting apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files, really important thing, and click on OK, and click on OK here also. And now you can see that particular folder has vanished, and even if I again open my local disk E, here also you can't see the folder. So now to view this folder again, what you need to do is go to view and click on hidden items, this checkbox, enable this, and now you will be able to view this particular folder. And if you want to like undo the hidden property, right click properties. If you again uncheck this folder will become a normal folder, and if you take this off again it will vanish. So this is basically how you will make a folder hidden in Windows. Do check the playlist of my channel, done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.